oil in the air filter and the air intake. What's up guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So we're gonna start this video a little different. We're on our way to pick up our very first build, a BMW E36. It's not a very expensive car. The plan is to do this car on the budget to start off the channel, so we can generate a little views. We are on our way right now. We're about to arrive. As soon as we arrive, I'm going to show you a little bit of the car, but not very much. When we arrive at the shop, I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a video all around the car to show you guys what the car needs and what we're going to do to it. So let's go pick up the car. See you in a while. We are back at the garage with the car. It was a sketchy ride here. The car will need a lot of work to get it done. It was abandoned on the mountainside for many years. I think about 2 years, not that many, but it was about 2 years abandoned. That's why the paint job is look like this. It's been outside for a very long time. All the rubber on the car is brittle, so we'll need to be working on this car a lot, and it's going to require lots of work to get it done. So let's do a once over the car so you guys see how it is. It's not looking very good, guys. Let's go. So in the front, we're going to need to paint this front section, the hood, the fender. The only good thing I think this car has is the wheels. The rest of it needs a lot of work. So it's all rusted out here and here. It's gonna be needed prep and paint. The hood as well. The paint is faded, and the lacquer is peeling on a couple of spots. So the front is this. The side is not very bad except this door here. It has rust coming out. I think I'm gonna replace this door. It's not worth the time of trying to put it as new, because this door is gone. So the roof has some kind of paint, some matte paint. It's not looking very pretty. I'm gonna need to get rid of that. Let's see in the end. The visual things is gonna be done only in the end. First, we're gonna do the engine. It needs some work too. So in the back, as you can see, all the plastics are tired. The paint is gone. You're gonna need to paint these plastics or maybe change them. I don't know about changing because this one's has park assist from stock, and these plastics are hard to find with this extra. So the other side, this side is looking, except the fender, of course, it's looking goodish. I think this door has a little dings on it, as you can see, but I think you can work it out from inside the door. I'm gonna remove all the insides of the door so we can get to that. I'm gonna change all the door handles because the plastic on the door handles is gone. And for the exterior is this. Let's show you guys the interior of the car. It's not looking very good either. Okay, this seat's gonna be needing an upholstery job, but I think it's the only one. The other ones are it's very tired, but I think I can work with this. Maybe do some products to see if I can revive them. Maybe not this one because I can see that it's gonna need some stitching up in the side. So in the car, this I'm gonna remove, try to put the original one. This, of course, they're gonna go. It has electric sunroof and black roof from stock. It was an extra back then. It's a good extra. It has the M sports wheel, and it's gonna need a lot of work in the inside as well, but we're gonna get it done. In the back side. So in the back, I've not seen very much in the back because there is these wheels that came with the car. I'm gonna sell them. I like the ones that are in it right now better. Maybe get some money for this. They are not very pretty. Let's see. And in the trunk, there is the other two. As you can see, it is messier all over the jams. I clean up just a little bit of the car just so to remove the dust, but that's it. We're gonna be needing to do a lot of work on the car. Nothing that I can do, it's just gonna take a lot of time and a lot of money. To end, let's show you. So last thing, let's show you the engine. It's gonna be needing some work as well. So let's see. Here it is. It's a little bit dirty, but not too bad for a car that's been sitting. It runs and drives. It's just needs some wear and tear pieces and parts that you're gonna change. It's leaking a little bit of oil on the valve cover and some down there in the engine. But I'm thinking I'm gonna change the valve cover seal and also the head gasket, because I think the miles that this car has, it's already gone. So while I'm working on the valve cover, I'm going a little bit deeper and trying to change the head gasket. Just a heads up and an advice. I'm not a professional mechanic. So what I'm doing here is at my own risk, and guys, be aware of that in the comments. I may be not doing everything perfect. I'm trying my best. This is a hobby, and the content and some entertaining for you guys. So first I'm gonna start to remove the wheels and maybe do a little bit of cleanup inside the car. So let's go. So now that the trunk is all cleaned and disassembled, I will show you guys how it is right now. So let's see. Here it is. It's all to bare metal. As you can see on the struts support, there's been previous repairs. This is a common failure area on these BMWs. The repair seems to be holding just fine. It's unfortunately, but it is an old car. It was sort of expected. Now I'm gonna go and check up the engine to see what parts I'm gonna need, because I opened the hood a while ago and I saw that was oil on the front of the engine. So let's see what it needs and how it is the engine. So let's go. So here we are, after taking out the air filter and a hose that goes to the turbo. This is not looking very good. There was a lot of oil in the air filter and the air intake. As you guys can see, there is a lot of oil in the underside of the engine. As you guys see, there's oil also. A little oil in the turbo. I will already check, the turbo is spinning freely, but honestly I don't know. This was unexpected. It is an old car, but still that is a lot of oil. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here. This is a good stopping point because I need to think what I'm gonna do next. I don't know if this engine is worth saving. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think. This is an old car, so these things happen. Hope you guys have liked the episode. Please give a sub to help support and see more builds in the future. Thank you and